Happy Wednesday, everyone, and thanks for checking into WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And how about that? We're still tracking Hurricane Joaquin in the Atlantic Basin. A very interesting forecast track, in fact, as we head into the next few days. We'll show you that, talking about some southwestern severe weather concerns again, with locally heavy rain moving into Texas over the next 2 to 3 days, and then a mild temperature outlook heading into mid-October still. All right, so this was Category 1 Hurricane Joaquin from early Wednesday morning. You can see the speed on that picking up rather quickly. Could be downgraded to a tropical storm at some point here today. But if you look closely, look at this. This is Europe. That's Spain. You can actually see a landfall, maybe tropical storm Joaquin over Spain heading into the next few days. Something very interesting. Definitely don't see that very often. But heading into the Pacific Basin, we have a Category 2 hurricane lifting into the northern portions of the eastern Pacific there. All right, severe weather concerns today over southern New Mexico, far west Texas. Hail, some gusty winds, locally heavy downpours. A little bit of moisture starting to leak back into the Midwest today and tomorrow. Maybe a marginal threat tomorrow over the Midwest and also still over Texas. But that front crossing out of Canada will help to kick out some thunderstorms on Friday from eastern portions of Tennessee and Kentucky and maybe up into our nation's capital there, D.C., under a marginal threat on Friday. So that boundary again is pretty weak, but it'll be riding right across the international border, helping to supply us with some cooler weather heading into the end of the week and also this upcoming weekend in a few spots. But it's not going to last long. In fact, that extended outlook is looking pretty warm. The heaviest rainfall over the next 5 days looking to be over southwestern Texas, upwards of 1 to 3+ inches generally over the next 2 days. But there's that 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. Much of the nation possibly above average, especially over the western U.S. There's your forecast showing a lot of that colder blue still locked up into Canada. So most of us today, other than the southwest, will be running a little bit above average. Temperatures today in Dallas almost 5 to 10 degrees above average as we're right around 90 and 77 in D.C.